Power trip. Hatsu! Parang sisipunin ako, man.
Nabastos mo naman. Girit naman.
Pag ikaw nga lang haching eh.
Duduraan na kaya mo.
Grabe ka man, haching lang yun eh. Ats! Baka naman bango-bango ng laway ko eh. Ats! Aray ko, totoo yung pag-ano mo ha, pagbalo mo ha.
Ito talaga yun, nabuti ko nga bango ng ano.
Tingnan mo na mula.
Batakang mo ang laway mo. Ang kinakain mo, at.
At, ito yun o. Ats! Tatry ko sa mga bagets. Let's go.
Let's see what he gets with here. A Monobluma? Yeah, don't want that. Another Monobluma. Another one.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry, I'm not sick. Sorry.
Maple apple, yeah. Oh, Dead Rock, yes. That's actually good. Dead Rock. I actually have this on my main account right now. Oh, Maple apple.
Ano yun?
I'm so sorry.
No.
Sorry. Sorry. Yeah, sorry.
Ano mo kasi kita si Ubi yan?
Okay, so take it's here. Oh yes, I'm not do that. I'm not do that. Okay. Sorry. Okay na. No na. Okay, sorry na.
Anyways, I'm gonna say it again one more time. Alright, it's time to buy, which of course is 1,700 Robux. Oh my god. How much Robux am I
Sorry. Okay. Dat ano yun? Nagaching nga ako yan. Bakit kasi ng ilong ko?
There we go. Oh my god. Guys, is the luck gonna be lucky today? We're gonna find out. Because we're about to get it. First try. I got the ore glasses right here. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. This is too easy, baby. First try. Let's do it! Oh my god. Oh my god.
Tingnan mo na po. Ats!
Oh my gosh, I'm feeling it. But we did get the flares.
Focus ka sagol. Focus ka po yung sagol ha. Ats!
Place down the flare daisies right there. And then let's go all. Let's see if this is a good team. 3, 2, 1, and... Yeah,
Ats!
this is a little bit different. I'm kind of losing my voice. I know. Never mind. My beautiful voice. I don't know why I always suck. The flare daisies, not my favorite, not gonna lie. I'm gonna collect both of them, and we're gonna see how much they're worth. Just by looking at them, I don't think they're gonna be worth a lot. So, let's
ito ang baby ko.
worth and...
So, tapos na yung pagpa-power trip ko. So, ang resulta ay nakadog lang naman ako at may umiyak na batuta. Sugot yarn. Wala lang. Ako lang yung natuwa sa mga pinagagawa ko. Babu!